Hi everybody, I'm Michael.
And I'm Shelly.
And down here is Talon, who doesn't want to get up and face the camera. And together, the three of us are
Our epic RV adventure.
Thanks for coming along on our journey. We are right now heading towards the Tampa RV show in, of course, Tampa, Florida. We stopped in a Thousand Trails Resort in
Yemisi?
Yemisi, however you say it, South Carolina. Pretty nice place near Beaufort. Not be confused with Beaufort, which is in North Carolina, which actually is where I'm from. And so we're in Beaufort right now. We're actually on board, as the Navy and Marines call it. We are on board MCAS, the Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort, and a nice park here overlooking the river. Marsh, and of course the Spanish Moss trees behind us. So hope you enjoy the view here. We stopped along the way for about 3 days, 2 nights, and 3 nights, whatever. And we've had a good time while we've been here. Haven't really explored this area of South Carolina very much at all, even though we love Charleston, been there a lot, and this is only about 45 minutes away. So we're enjoying our time here, and we've seen some pretty cool stuff so far. But we've also had some adventures just trying to get here. Like?
Well, we had a near miss on a bridge driving down. Michael saw an 18-wheeler coming up behind him and didn't really want to be on the bridge with the 18-wheeler, so he started to slow down, and you'll have to watch the video to see what happens. But very high winds, and we're really grateful for Safety Plus today.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Safety Plus.
Yes, so shout out to them, because it could have been a whole lot different of a scenario had we not had Safety Plus on board. So
yep, cannot say enough about Safety Plus before this little bit of excitement, I guess the best way to put it, and definitely have a customer for life in me now, for sure. So once we got bedded down at our campground, which was kind of interesting, I guess is the best way to put it. It was a pretty tight squeeze, but we were able to squeeze in the 34 PA that we have, and
in between the trees
and the mud, and
we're fairly level.
we were level until it started raining, and now we're mostly level. But don't want to sink any more into the mud with the jacks, so we're fine. And we're leaving in the morning, heading down to Clearmont, and then we will be in Tampa on Wednesday.
That's true.
Yeah. Why are we going to Tampa?
The Tampa RV show.
Oh yeah, the Tampa RV show. Are you going to the Tampa RV show? We are. We'll be easy to spot. I'll be the guy hobbling around with the trusty green cane, and probably what I would call the world's cutest service dog, Talon, which if you look at some of our other videos, you'll see some glimpses of her.
She's not one for the camera.
No, she's kind of camera shy.
We're trying to get her a little bit more used to it.
Yeah, she just prefers to lay in the sun. She's enjoying this right now. But we've had a great time here in Beaufort so far. We had a great dinner our first night here.
Yes, we went to Hearthwood Pizza, and it was in downtown Beaufort, and it's restaurant week going on right now, and I'm familiar with it in Charleston because I've been to that a couple times with work, and it was really nice to try it out here. The restaurant was delicious. We had caprese salad and meatballs for an appetizer. You get an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. And then we both had pizzas, and then we got dessert, which Michael's was better than mine, but the lady was really kind and gave me one to go. So we lucked out there.
My dessert was 3 scoops of ice cream, really good vanilla ice cream, and a massive warm chocolate brownie. Really good. Definitely enjoyed that.
We would go back there. Their pizza was amazing.
That's definitely a go back place. Some of the better pizza I've had. Now it's not New York pizza. It's it's brick oven pizza, so but it is really good. Yesterday or the night before last, it rained all night, which turned out to be kind of an adventure in the morning because somebody left the window down in the vehicle and it rained in it all night. Luckily, we have the all-weather floor mats, so all the water just pooled in there. So I was able to dump that out, literally dump that out. But
we have towels.
We have towels. Good time. We went to Paris Island. First time I ever went there, and her brother is a Marine. He's no longer in, but I know once a Marine, always a Marine. So he is a Marine. So we went to Paris Island, checked that out, and it was really cool. It was fun. Saw some of the recruits running around. We had a really good, enjoyable time. Just tooling around Beaufort area and Paris Island, and we did do a quick. Well, couldn't do a slow. We did a quick view pass through the fam camp there, which will be a subject of a later, very short video.
It's kind of an interesting place because it is literally a straight line.
Yeah,
it's just a row of campers.
The fam camp is almost a blink and you'll miss it kind of fam camp. It really is. Maybe that's why the speed limit's only 15 on that road, so you don't miss it. But it was a good time. So we're gonna be packing up in the morning and heading out down to Tampa, and
well, you missed what we did last night.
Oh.
Went to the drive-in.
We went to the drive-in. Okay, so Beaufort has a drive-in theater, which in and of itself is kind of rare nowadays, unfortunately, because drive-in theaters are cool. But this one had 2 screens, which I've never even heard of one at 2 screens. And not only that, the drive-ins I've been to recently, I say recently, the last 20 years, they've all just been the flat ground. But this one actually had humps everywhere, so you were up on an incline, so you can get a better view of the screen. I haven't seen one like that in person ever. I've seen pictures of them and stuff, but I've never seen one like that. But it was fun. It was $7 per person, or if you're military like us, $6 per person to get in. Food was reasonably priced as well. It was good.
They had refillable popcorn buckets.
Yeah.
So that was really neat because you had your choice of Jumanji or Frozen. Of course, we got Frozen.
But it was a double feature. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. So you see 2 movies for that $7 or $6 for military. So you definitely can't beat that deal. But the other screen was off to our right, this way. And so we could just do this and watch Jumanji, or do this and watch Star Wars. It was an adventure in itself because our vehicle, Chevy Equinox, has the push button start. So every, about 10 minutes, it would shut off. We couldn't figure out how to keep it on. Then I had the brilliant idea, oh yeah, how do I keep it on when it's when we're in tow mode, because we flat tow it. So that's what we did. We put it in park, put the emergency brake on, started the engine, put it in neutral, turned the engine off, let the thing beep for 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes of ding, 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 ding as we watched the movie. Talon was not a fan of that. And but after that we were fine until right before the last movie ended. We got the low battery warning, so no biggie. We fired it up, it started, we survived. We had a great time.
Only about 5 minutes left.
Yeah, it was close to the end. We almost made it.
So and the movies overlapped, so truly you wouldn't really want to watch both because you'd miss
that was the problem. And the name of it's the Highway 21 Drive-In Theater. And the problem is, while they did have both movies were double features, you had to pick which one. So you either watched Jumanji and what was that other one? Movie with John Cena. It's a movie with John Cena about being a fireman. I don't remember what the name of it is. Or you watch Spies in Disguise and Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. Movie review, both movies were to me. I'm glad I only paid $6 to go see both. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. and we'll send you another update, I guess from or right at the RV show time.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Thanks for watching.